Hey there, curious minds! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the unknown and explore the most fascinating questions of our universe. Have you ever wondered what would happen if aliens visited Earth? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries, sparking countless books, movies, and theories. Really think about it. What would it mean for us as individuals, as societies, and as a species? Imagine waking up one morning to the news that an alien spacecraft has landed in your neighborhood park. The shock, the excitement, the fear, emotions would be running high. Today we're diving into that mind-bending scenario. What would the world look like in the days, weeks, and months following such an event? First off, let's talk about the initial reaction. The news would spread like wildfire and the world would be glued to their screens, waiting for updates. Governments around the world would likely scramble to contain the situation. Emergency meetings, military mobilizations, and diplomatic discussions would be the order of the day. Expect emergency protocols, closed airspaces, and a lot of secrecy. But what about us, the everyday people? How would we cope with such a monumental event? We'd probably be glued to our screens waiting for every bit of news, every grainy photo, every rumor. Social media would explode with theories, memes, and debates. Now the big question, friend or foe? This would be the burning question on everyone's mind. If these aliens come in peace, it could be the dawn of a new era. Imagine the possibilities of interstellar friendship and cooperation. Think about the technological advancements. We could leap forward in medicine, energy, and space travel, transforming our world in unimaginable ways. Medicine, energy, space travel, our world could change overnight. Diseases that plague us could be cured and new energy sources could revolutionize our way of life. But if they have other intentions, the thought of a hostile encounter is terrifying. Well, let's not get too dark just yet. Let's focus on the potential for positive outcomes. Communication would be a massive hurdle. How do you talk to beings who might not even think like us? The challenge would be immense. How do you talk to beings who might not even think like us? Scientists would likely use mathematics, the universal language, to make first contact. Imagine the excitement of the first successful exchange. It would be a historic moment, celebrated worldwide. But let's not forget the cultural impact. The arrival of aliens would challenge our beliefs and philosophies. Religion, philosophy, and even our understanding of ourselves would be challenged. We'd have to rethink our place in the universe. Some might see it as a threat, while others might see it as a chance for unity and growth. The world would be divided in its reactions. And then there's the practical side. How do we share our planet? Would they live among us or establish their own colonies? What about resources, legal systems? The logistics would be mind-boggling. Would they live among us or establish their own colonies? What about resources, legal systems? The logistics would be mind-boggling. And yes, the skeptic in me has to ask, what if it's all a misunderstanding and they just want to borrow some sugar? In any case, one thing's for sure, life on Earth would never be the same. Whether it's through awe-inspiring advancements or world-changing challenges, the arrival of aliens would mark a pivotal moment in human history. So what do you think? Are we ready for such a monumental encounter? The implications are endless and the possibilities are both thrilling and daunting. Are we ready for such a monumental encounter? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions and theories are what make these discussions so fascinating. And if you enjoyed this mental adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more curious content. Thanks for watching and keep exploring those big questions. Until next time.